When ordering the phone, Nothing asked me, do you want to buy a case for this device? And I think it was an extra $35. And I was like, no, I never buy cases from phone companies because you can get them on Amazon for 10, 15, 20 bucks. So I said, no, thank you. Plus, it said you get a free gift. I have no idea what the free gift is. OnePlus gave me a free gift one time from ordering from their website, and it was like a cup holder or something, you know. So I don't know if it's going to be a case, or I doubt it, because they wanted me to buy one. But I did order a case from Amazon. It has a clear back. The majority of cases you find do have a clear back. There was a Tudia case for the Nothing Phone 1 that had a back, but had where the glyphs are, it had cutouts. So when it lights up, you can at least still see the light up. Nilkin, who I love, who predominantly sells on AliExpress, they had put out a case for the Nothing Phone 1, and I've yet to put one out for the Phone 2. So I'm expecting them to continue their case for the Nothing devices. However, it does take a couple weeks to get here. So the case selection sucks. I ordered one, or I ordered two. Both of them have a clear back. One has a black border around the clear back, and the other one is a clear border around the clear back. And I reached out to Spigen on Instagram, and they actually responded. I said, yo, what's up? I ordered this phone. Are y'all planning on making a case for the Nothing Phone 2? And the next day, I got a notification that they responded, and Spigen told me that yes, 100% they are making a case for the Phone 2. However, they did also tell me that they did not get a pre-released unit. So how these phones in cases work is, like for the Samsung phone, Samsung will send out all these case makers dummy units, or at least the mold, right? It may not be a fully functional phone or working phone, may not even have the insides in it, but it is the same dimensions down to a T. I mean, exact mold. Basically a dummy unit, like what you see in T-Mobile stores and whatever. They'll send these phones to these case makers so they can get their mold, do what they need to do, get the dimensions, and then these case makers have to send it to the factory. You know, they run tests too. They get molds, and does this work? No. Does this work? No. And they send it to the manufacturer once they get the final build, and then they start manufacturing them. Well, Spigen told me it takes them 2 months, or will take them 2 months to basically manufacture at least a case. They didn't tell me how many, but they are going to make a case, and they said they give them 2 months and they'll have one for sale. So basically they're getting their phone, their Nothing Phone, just as I am this week, and they're going to get the mold, they're going to construct a case, and they got to manufacture it, and then they got to put it up for sale. So all that takes about 2, and I'm sure they're busting their ass as far as trying to hurry, because they know. And I told them, look, there's hardly any case selection, and the cases that are available suck. So they know this, and they know, and I guarantee you that's a fast 2 months for them. I bet they're on it. As soon as they get it in the mail, it's going straight to R&D, and they are getting these things made. So there will be a Spigen case for the Nothing Phone 2. Just takes 2 months, but it is what it is. That's what you get with a smaller phone company. But I expected that. I knew this coming into it, so you know, it is what it is. No big deal. I just hope the cases I did get are suitable and will protect it, you know, from scratches and drops and what have you. But I will do. I'm going to definitely do case reviews, because I know that's an issue. It's going to be an issue with Nothing Phone 2 owners. Now, I know I wouldn't dare use this phone naked without anything on it. But I know that'll be an issue, and it'll be a big a draw to our channel for Nothing Phone 2 case reviews. So I'm going to order a bunch and start reviewing them, and I ordered some more S23 Ultra cases, and I put a hold on Pixel 7 cases because the 8's coming out so close that I'll probably, unless something cool comes out or haven't reviewed. But long story short, Nothing Phone 2 this week. If you are interested in the phone, potentially want to purchase the device, but you want to see how, you know, the first few months of or the first month of reviews go Subscribe to our channel. I'm going to review everything there is to review about it, software updates, speaker loudness, camera samples, everything. And I'm going to do everything. So subscribe to our channel. I can promise you I'll give you honest review of the device, and we'll have fun doing it. So I do appreciate your time. Oh, check out our podcast. Not only did I upload, I converted these videos that you're watching to YouTube podcasts, but I also created podcasts of this very video that you're watching. Well, I converted the audio form of it and submitted it to iHeartRadio, to Spotify, Pocket Casts, all the major, and I'm getting verified for Apple Podcasts. They have a little more strenuous application process for their podcasting, which is fine. I rarely ever cuss, so should be fine. But if you want to listen to the audio version of this, especially for our news and all sorts of stuff, we're on, I checked right now, we're on a bunch of them. I think all of them except Apple. Amazon Music, Amazon Podcasts, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Stitcher's going out of business. Where else? Yeah, so I think it's those. Oh, Google Podcasts too. Google Podcasts. So we're on like 4 main ones, the 4 biggest podcast platforms, and then Apple will be the 5th. So basically, if you have a podcast app, search for eSIM Studios Podcast. It'll pop up, and on YouTube as well. You can listen to the audio form. We're on also YouTube Music app. They have a podcast section. Slide over there, and we're on there. So eSIM Studios Podcast. So appreciate the time. I got to run, and we'll see y'all later. Peace.